Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How is everyone? Well, I hope. Good morning. Okay, it's a beautiful sunny day here in the UK. I'm not sure where you are, but here it's super sunny. So today I have a lovely little lesson for you planned on English idioms for success. English idioms for success. Now, these idioms you could use for work, so for office-based, employment-based, or other, or also just to congratulate yourself or a friend. So let's get started. But before we do, let me know where you're learning from, which country you're learning from. Let me see who we've got here. Hello, Abbas. Abbas, have you read that book yet? Let me know. Hello, Tan. Hello. If your name is in Arabic, I can't read it, I'm sorry. Hello, Ahmed. Hello, Zazida. Okay, so I've made this a little bit more difficult today. I've actually removed the key word because I'm sure some of you will be thinking, oh, I already know these, or maybe some of them you don't know. So I'm going to, I've removed the word to make it a little bit harder. And I'm also going to be explaining some of these if you don't know what they are. So, hi from Myanmar. Oh, wonderful. You're calling from Myanmar. That's great. Okay. Wonderful. All right, so the first one we're going to start with is here. I've hit the what? And when you're at home, say after me, repeat after me what I've said, so you're practicing your pronunciation out loud. I've hit the what? What have you hit? I've hit the. This is an easy one to start with. I've hit the jackpot. I've hit the jackpot. So Jackpot in England is an arcade game. You know, it's like a little game like this with a little window here, and you have to get the three fruits to line up. And normally you have a lever here which you pull like this, and everything changes on the window. And if you get three things the same, that's called a jackpot. So when you've done really well, let's say you apply for a job that you really want, you get the job and you get like a really good salary, you say, oh, I've hit the jackpots, which means lots of money. All right, so the next one is be on the what. And if you know what this is, if you know the answer, pop it in the comments, let me know. I'm looking at the comments here so I can see them. Be on the what? Be on the up and up. Okay, so why do we say be on the up and up? Why do we say it twice? Well, this is a typical example of how we double up on language to reinforce, to make more impact and more emphasis of what we're saying. So be on the up, and up means going higher and higher. I'm going up and up. I'm doing really well for myself. So how is your job going? Oh, it's going great. I've been on the up and up for a while now, which means you're doing really well. Okay, this is one of my personal favourites. I'm over the what? I'm over the what? If you know, put it in the comments. I'm over the... I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. So we use this, I use this a lot. So when you're really, really, really happy, you smile. Yeah, you smile a lot like this. And this shape is the same as the crescent moon, which is like this. So this shape we call the crescent. I'll write this down for you actually. This shape here we call the crescent. So the shape is the crescent, that's the adjective, and this is the moon. Okay? So when you say I'm over the moon, it's I'm really, really happy. And also in children's books, characters who are very good normally have special superpowers and they jump over the moon. So to say I'm over the moon means that you're very, very happy. Okay? Let me give you an example. Have you received your new contract for work? Oh yes, thank you. And I'm over the moon. Thank you. So that means you're really, really happy about all of the conditions. Okay. This is a very funny phrase, an idiom for lots of learners of English. Can't, I'm stoked. Can't, I'm stoked. So what do you think goes in here? What goes in here? Can't, I'm stoked. Let me see. All right, it is can't lie. I can't lie, I'm stoked. Can't lie. I'm not going to lie about it, I'm stoked. So when you're stoked, this is like an Australian, it's like a word that we've borrowed from Australian English, stoked. When you stoke something, like you stoke up the barbecue, you stoke up the barbecue. Stoke up the barbecue. So the barbecue is what you grill meats on outside in the garden. So when you stoke that up, it means you rack it up. It means you put lots on lots of meat on the grill. So when you say, can't lie, I'm stoked, that means you're really, really, really happy. You're happy here, happy here, happy here, happy here. So really happy, happy with your success. Can't lie, I'm stoked. But that's Australian English, but we do use it in British English quite a lot. Okay, past with colours. Past with colours. What is this one? Let me pick one of the viewers. Karem, I've got my phone here. Karem, do you know what this one is? Past with colours. Let me know. Or maybe Alexandra. Do you know the answer to this one? What does this mean? If you do, put it in the comments. Newest comments. Let's have a little look. No? Okay. Passed with flying colours. Passed with flying colours. Passed with flying colours. Okay. The next one. The only way is. This is a very popular song right now in the charts. The only way is. The only way is up. The only way is up. So, okay, how many have we got now? We got 3 more left. Okay, here we go. So let's see who can get these last 3 with me. Okay, something success. Yep, it's in the and guess who's bringing home the Let's see, who knows? Yes, Zaina, you got it right. The only way is up. Yes, that one is right. Good. So Zain got that one. Well done. Now let's have a little look. What have we got left here? Flying success. Flying success, which means you're just doing better and better. Okay? Flying success. This one. Yep. It's in the what? Yep. It's in the. Yep. It's in the bag. Yep, it's in the bag. Okay. And the last one. Guess who's bringing home the. Guess who's bringing home the. Who can tell me? Guess who's bringing home the bacon? Sorry if you don't eat meat. Guess who's bringing home the bacon? This is a really good idiom. Now, I'll tell you the history behind this and why we use this. Bacon is obviously like a sliced meat. It's a pork meat, and it isn't very expensive now. But years ago, only if you had money would you be buying bacon. Otherwise, you didn't have bacon. Okay, we often eat it for breakfast, or you have it with chicken or different meats. So guess who's bringing home the bacon? This means the bacon means money. So guess who's bringing home the money? Guess who's bringing home the bacon? So you could say something like, someone could say something like, oh, how did your interview go? And you could say, guess who's bringing home the bacon? So guess who's bringing home the money? All right, everybody, let me have a quick look at the comments. Oh, wow, so many comments. Thank you. Okay, I've got a comment here from Zainur who says, I want to talk to you to learn English. Okay, Zain and anybody else, if you want to improve your English, then go along to the website here, Engli-teach.com, where you can book lessons. So I do group lessons. The majority of the week ones are now full, so we have weekend availability. So you can book lots of different lessons at the weekend. So this is group speaking lessons to help you speak better English. There you go. All right, everybody, it has been a wonderful lesson. Don't forget, you can go over to Engli-teach.com and sign up for the English Vault, which is here. and I will see you tomorrow for another live lesson. Have a great day, everybody. Goodbye.